Welcome to our 15 minutes daily Qigong practice. I'm Shen, your holistic wellness coach, and I'm excited to guide you through the gentle and rejuvenating flow of Qigong. Qigong is a beautiful standing meditation that nurtures your health, vitality, and relaxation. Imagine Qigong as a moving meditation that harmonizes your mind, body, and spirit. This practice has numerous benefits. It can enhance your sleep, boost your energy, reduce stress and pain, slow down the aging process, and strengthen your inner connection. Qigong is deeply rooted in ancient Chinese culture, drawing inspiration from the natural world and traditional Chinese medicine. Its flowing movements are designed to mimic the fluidity of nature, much like the water flowing in the river. This practice embodies the harmony and balance found in the natural elements, promoting a holistic approach to wellness. The secret to unlocking these benefits is simple. Start today and commit to practicing daily. Taoist philosophy teaches us that it takes about 100 days to lay a strong foundation. By incorporating Qigong into your daily routines, you will be able to cultivate greater self-awareness and move your Qi or your life force energy. Soon, you will be able to carry this practice with you wherever you go. Let's begin this journey together.
Take a few deep breaths to calm yourself and connect with your inner energy. Then stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent and arms relaxed by your sides. This Wuji posture helps prepare your body and mind for the practice and allows your energy to flow smoothly. Let's start with vitality taps to connect with your body's energy. Make a claw with your fingers and gently tap along your ribs. Next, focus on the center of your chest and begin tapping there. Imagine each tap stirring your vitality and bringing you into the present moment. Move to your collarbone, tapping gently to activate your energy flow and maintain mindfulness. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth as you tap. This helps increases your vitality and awaken your energy. Finally, tap gently on your cheekbones just below your eyes. This helps boost your immune system. Next is 10 dragons run through the forest. Use your fingers to comb through your hair, starting from your hairline and moving down to the base of your neck. This helps stimulate your brain and energizes your Qi meridians. Now let's practice pulling down the heavens. Place your hands in front of your forehead with your fingers curved. Press your fingers into the center of your forehead, then move them back over the top of your head. Flick your fingers to release any negative or stuck energy, letting it to be absorbed by Mother Earth. Relax your arms and notice how your body feels. This exercise is especially helpful for clearing blockages in your energy pathways, especially after long periods of work or concentration. Now let's do shake the tree. Let your arms hang loosely and shake naturally with your body. Shake by shaking your wrist and hands, then gently bounce your knees, allowing your whole body to join in. Shake your body like a tree swaying in the wind. Release any tension and let your energy flow freely. This exercise helps you let go of stress and invites fresh energy. Shake off any unnecessary energy, give it gratitude, and make space for new clarity and vitality. Smile and enjoy the freedom of shaking. Gradually stop and return to stillness. This exercise helps release tension and ground your body. Next, let's do the Harmony Cross March. This Taoist practice helps balance and harmonize your mind, body, and spirit. Keep the movements smooth and coordinated with a steady rhythm. Visualize the Qi flowing smoothly through your body, clearing blockages and promoting balance. Gradually slow down your marching until you come to a gentle stop. This exercise creates a balanced state where your mind, body, and spirit work together seamlessly, helping prevent Qi stagnation and reducing stress and anxiety. Reach your arms up towards the sky, imagining you're drawing down light from above. Slowly bring your arms down to rest in front of you. This movement connects you with universal energy, inviting peace and clarity. Visualize this light filling you with a sense of calm and guidance. Now, let's practice the Qi fountain to get your Qi flowing. Start by spreading your hands out to the sides, then bring the back of your hands together up the center of your body and circle them out and around. Inhale as your arms come up and exhale as they float down. Bend your knees slightly as you move up, imagining yourself like a fountain flowing gracefully. This gentle movement helps balance your body's water element and reduces stress. Now, let's practice nourishing our yin energy. Inhale and raise your arms above your head, palms together to gather energy from above. Lower your hands around the back of your neck and down the front as if gently brushing down your body. Use the back of your hands to trace down your sternum and gently rub your kidneys. Bend over, sweep down your legs and around your feet and up over your big toe. Stand up, cross your arms over your shoulders and move down your arms. Cross your arms on your shoulders to form an egg shape, symbolizing yin and yang. Repeat this motion to release stagnant energy. This practice helps ground and refresh your body and mind. Let's do some one-arm movements. Circle your right arm out and around, then your left arm. You'll notice a subtle shift in weight and a soft figure 8 movement through your hips and waist. Feel the figure 8 patterns energizing your aura. This exercise strengthens your energy and enhances your aura's power. Let's practice the Taoist Qigong movement, embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. Start by spreading your hands to the sides, then bring the backs of your hand together up the center of your body. Circle them out and around, inhaling as your arms rises and exhaling as they lower. This flow balances your internal energy with the external world. Embrace the tiger, representing your inner power, and return to the mountain, symbolizing inner peace. Relax into each movement, letting your intention guide the flow of your chi. Now take a moment to feel the chi. Stand quietly with your feet shoulder width apart, close your eyes and focus on sensing the energy around and within you. Observe any sensations without judgment. This practice enhances self-awareness and helps you connect with your body's energy. Next, let's find our central harmony. Stand tall and balanced. Visualize your energy aligning from your core. This movement helps center and stabilize your chi. Inhale deeply, feeling the central line of your body. Now let's zip up the central channel. Place your fingers on your pubic bone and draw your hands up the front of your body to your chin. This technique helps protect your energy and shield you from negative influences. Repeat this a few times to seal in your energy. Finally, place one middle finger in your belly button and other at your third eye between your eyebrows. Press in firmly and pull upward slightly. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling balanced and strong. Next, step your feet together and interlace your thumbs over your lower body. Let your body sway gently like the bamboo in the wind, moving in circles. Relax your muscles and feel rooted through your legs and flexible in your upper body. Observe how your body naturally returns to balance. Smile at yourself and nature around you, carrying the sense of harmony into your day.
Thank you for joining me today. Remember to come back to these practices daily to restore your energy. I look forward to meeting you in person one day.